What really separates a billionaire from everyone else? Is it intelligence, luck, connections, or is there something deeper, something psychological, that most people never see? Because here's the uncomfortable truth. Money at the billionaire level is rarely about money. It's about mindset. It's about emotional wiring. It's about how someone sees risk, power, time, and even other human beings. And today we're going deep into the hidden psychology of billionaires. The mental patterns, behaviors, obsessions, and traits that quietly shape extreme wealth. This is not a motivational speech. This is psychological analysis. Let's begin. First, we need to destroy a myth. Most people believe billionaires are simply smarter. But research does not strongly support the idea that billionaires have dramatically higher IQs than other successful professionals. What often separates them is not raw intelligence. It's risk tolerance. Psychologically, billionaires operate with a different relationship to uncertainty. While the average person seeks security, billionaires often seek asymmetry. They ask, "What is the upside if this works?" instead of asking, "What if this fails?" This doesn't mean they ignore risk. It means they calculate it differently. Where most people feel fear, they feel stimulation. Where most people see danger, they see opportunity. This psychological comfort with uncertainty allows them to make moves others avoid. And over time, avoiding risk caps growth. Embracing calculated risk multiplies it. Second, obsession. At extreme levels of success, balance is rare. Many billionaires display obsessive traits. They think about their business constantly. They replay strategy in their heads. They push details beyond what most people would tolerate. From the outside, this looks like discipline. From a psychological lens, it often resembles controlled obsession. Their identity fuses with their mission. Work is not something they do. It is who they are. This can create extraordinary results, but it can also create emotional blind spots. Relationships suffer. Personal life shrinks. The mission dominates. Extreme wealth often requires extreme focus, and extreme focus is rarely comfortable. Third, delayed gratification. The famous Stanford marshmallow experiment showed that children who delayed gratification tended to have better life outcomes decades later. Now imagine that trait amplified. Billionaires think in decades, not days. While most people optimize for short-term comfort, they optimize for long-term dominance. They sacrifice weekends, sleep, reputation, comfort, and sometimes stability. Psychologically, they are wired to tolerate discomfort for future gain. This creates a compounding effect. Time becomes their biggest asset, and most people psychologically struggle to think beyond immediate reward. Fourth, emotional detachment from money. This one sounds strange, but many billionaires stop thinking in terms of money early on. They think in terms of scale, impact, ownership, control. Money becomes a scorecard, not the goal. If you are emotionally attached to every dollar, you hesitate. If you see money as fuel, you deploy it aggressively. This detachment allows massive reinvestment. Average earners protect money. Billionaires circulate it. And circulation builds empires. Now let's talk about control. Psychologists describe something called locus of control. People with an internal locus of control believe they shape their outcomes. People with an external locus believe circumstances shape them. Billionaires overwhelmingly exhibit extreme internal locus of control. When things fail, they ask, "What did I miss?" Not, "Why does this always happen to me?" This mindset fuels responsibility, but it can also create pressure. Because if you believe everything is your responsibility, failure becomes personal. And at high levels, pressure is constant. Another hidden trait: high tolerance for social rejection. To build something massive, you must withstand criticism. Investors say no. Media attacks. Competitors mock, employees quit. If you crumble under social rejection, scale is impossible. Many billionaires are psychologically comfortable being misunderstood. They are willing to look wrong for long periods. This emotional insulation protects their long-term strategy. Most people seek validation. Billionaires often sacrifice it. Now let's explore something darker. Power psychology. As wealth increases, and power changes the brain. Studies show that individuals in positions of power can develop reduced sensitivity to social feedback. They interrupt more, they take more risks, they may overestimate their judgment. This can fuel bold innovation, but it can also fuel arrogance.